Hey everybody, how are you doing? Randy once again, your DFW new construction expert here on a part 6 series in Elevon. I am at HistoryMaker and we are going to do some tours. So we're going to look at this home right behind us, but before you get started, hit that like and subscribe, and that would mean the world to me, your support. So let's get started. All right, we are back in Elevon. We are at HistoryMaker today. This beautiful home right here is what you call the Ironwood Signature Series, right here on the sign. It is a 4-bed, 3-bath, as modeled, 2,634 square feet with a study and a covered patio. That is awesome. Let's take a look at like this. Beautiful, large entryway. Kind of looks like a citadel. I don't know. But I absolutely love this. It's really cool. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. So let's take a look at this beauty. All right, as we're walking in, we have these massive high 10-foot ceilings. Beautiful open concept kitchen. It's a lot what's going on in a bunch of these homes are the open concept, but this is really pretty. I love the gray and the backsplash, the mosaic backsplash. This is a 2-story home. We'll head upstairs here in a bit, but I want to actually take you over here and I want to show you this little diagram what HistoryMaker made. It's a steps process of, you know, what to expect when you're going through the process of purchasing a new construction home with HistoryMaker. But let me flip this camera around and I'll show you. So right here is like your smart home choice starts here. What's really cool is you got your pre-construction phase. You have your purchase agreement, step 1, loan applications, conditional approval letter, showroom appointment, pre-start activities, buyer start order, pre-start meeting, and it goes all the way down here to the construction phase, the foundation, the frame, drywall meeting, drywall installed, finishing touches, quality inspection, pre-close meeting, final sign-off meeting, closing, and then your customer service, how they walk you through the process. And then also what I'll do is walk you through the process when you're building out a new construction home. There's a lot of steps that are involved, so that's really important to have a realtor that knows what they're talking about and knows what they're doing to walk you through the steps of every little incremental phase that goes on a build. So let's flip this back around, go back to seeing the rest of the, all right, technical difficulties. We got it. All right, so let's go back over here. Beautiful bathroom, full bath, accommodates downstairs, guest room, beautiful natural light coming in. Great for, you know, parents who are getting older or just people who do not want to climb upstairs. And then you have for your work from home, a beautiful office that accommodates this work from home type. I have friends and family who do work from home, and some of them can benefit from an office that is dedicated. But other than that, let's walk in here and see the master. Beautiful black splash. Love that sage green. What do you think about this color? Do you like it? What has been your thought process? Have you ever thought about getting into a new construction home? Uh, has that been an idea, or is it something that you never considered and that you're now considering like, wow, this is something that I can get into? And, you know, I love new construction homes just because of the fact that you don't have to inherit other people's problems on a home that it's an older home, like built in the 70s. You don't know if it has steel pipes. You don't know if it has, you know, foundation issues. Yeah, you do go through the inspection process, but you don't know what's really going on until it happens. So what I like about a new construction home is the fact that everything is new. You have a 10-year warranty. Like that really helps on like structural. Then you have like 5 years on electrical, then 2 years on, aesthetics and stuff like that. But, you know, that really helps when you are trying to navigate buying a new construction home, because like everything's under warranty and everything is brand new. So you're getting not used stuff. And I'm saying it does have its place for new construction versus pre-existing, but I love new construction. It is the absolute best, and this is what you get. So take a look at this. This bedroom over here. I looked at this already. It's really cute. If you have a daughter in your life, some ideas and pointers on decor, I think I might take that. Let me get the other one. So, what if we go in downstairs and we could talk about what's the incentives, what's the price of this home, what you can get for this home, and then what current spec homes that you have are available, that HistoryMaker has available right now to buy. And it's a bunch. So, all right, so I'm back. I had my sheet with everything on it and it fell out of my pocket and I couldn't find it. So I am back and I wanted to talk to you guys more about, they call it the Lone Star New Home Sales Event that's going on. So what we toured today was the Ironwood. Is once again, it is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,634 square feet, sitting around 495K starting off. But they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They have 15 spec homes. And what a spec home is a home that's an inventory home that the builders are already building. So you don't have to walk through the whole building out process, and it takes around 6 months to build. These builders are already building it. This is where they're just trying to offload the inventory. And usually that comes with really good incentives. So the incentives for this month is 3.99 fixed, and then also, and that's for an FHA or VA loans. And if you don't want to go with that one, you can get a 4.99 conventional with $10,000 in closing costs that you can allocate that towards a 2-1 buy down to bring it down points, temporary buy down your interest rates to make your bills a little more, your monthly bill more manageable, a little more manageable. And so that's a great option that you have. So going back to all these spec homes that are available, they are starting at a range of 324,990, going up to 494,900. So that is living over here in Lavon. I actually live in this area too, so I can speak with knowledge behind what I'm saying. Is that the prices that you're getting in Lavon is going to be considerably lower than when you want to get inside of like Dallas or Plano or Richardson or Rockwall or even Wiley. It's you're going to see homes that usually run around 600,000. It's going to be around 375, 360 here in Lavon, and this is temporarily until Lavon continues to get built out, and then you're going to it's going to catch up with the rest of the market. But Lavon is a really good area to be in if you're looking for homes that are more affordable, that you can get more home for less money. Quick. So I want to tell you, if you have any questions right here, hit like and subscribe, comment in the comment box below, and just tell me what you're looking for. What if you wanted a look for a home in Lavon or anywhere else in Dallas, I can help. I work all over the Metroplex, and I am just excited to help you guys take that next step in your home buying journey. Once again, my name is Randy Valdez, your DFW new construction guy in Dallas, Fort Worth. And if you need me, I'll be here, and I'll see you in the next video. I upload them once a week, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing y'all soon. Bye-bye.